2 weeks ago, I did a video about the drone wars where I flew with my 2 drones inside. And the clear winner in that video was the Neo 2. And with the Flip, to be honest, I crashed it a lot. Yeah, in the video, it was flying fine, it did all well, the camera worked. I finished up the video, and I think after 2 days I tried to fly it again. And then all of a sudden I get an error on the screen saying my TOF sensor is not working correctly. I tried the calibration option that you have for the TOF sensor, and that seemed to be working, but at the end it still failed. So I started to look up on the internet what could be the error, and of course they sent me to the DJI repair, and I did not have DJI Care, so yeah, that was not a possibility. Also bought this drone secondhand, so was not able to return it. So I thought, what's the harm? Let's try to fix it. So I found a Reddit page with a lot of pictures on how to disassemble this drone. I also bought special screwdrivers because yeah, the screws in this drone are weird and very small. And I ordered a part like the cover mounting bracket where the TOF sensor is on. Unfortunately, did not film the replacement itself. I can give you a guide on what I did to do it, not the how, because you have to do it yourself, and at the end result, and that's a flying drone. It's fixed for only 30 euros. So hopefully this will help you also when you have a problem like this to try it, because leaving the drone in the corner and not doing anything with it anymore is already a loss and a waste. So why not just try to fix it or give it to somebody that wants to try it for you, because at the end, yeah, it could be worth the risk.
So first of all, I will provide all the information as links in the description of this video. The information I have for you is this Reddit page. This shows all the pictures on how to disassemble your drone and in which order. There's also a video, probably easier to watch because it's a little bit more detail. And of course the site where you can order your part.
So I bought this set that contains a really good screwdriver, some pair of tweezers, like those plastic things you can push between the openings. You really need those. It has some extra plastic that you can also use to wedge open the plastic without damaging them. And of course the screwdrivers itself, and basically I used, I think, this one. So if you look closely, you will see it's like a sort of star. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a star, and I think I used 5 or 6 for it. And there's 2 normal, like Phillips, I think they are called Phillips screws. But yeah, there's plenty of in the box, so you probably have all the tools you need in this box. It's a little bit expensive. It cost me 30 euros, but in the end, this is not only for the drone, you can use this with everything you will repair in your future. So, and these are the parts I left over. Also, if you order, you will get one of these and one of these. And what actually broke in my drone was like the 2 clips in here. So it probably fell somewhere on the corner of this, and then they broke. And this is mounted on this cover. And I think because this is mounted on the cover and it can, how do you say that? It can move around. This cable in here is slowly damaged. So on here is the sensor connected. So these are the LEDs that you see in the front panel. And here is the sensor itself connected to or attached to, and on the back you see the actually connection connector that it has to be placed in. You just mount it in here, slide it in your Flip, and then connect this connector back. So sorry I did not film the whole disassembly and assembly. Hindsight, I should have done it, but yeah, I was not really sure if it would be working. So I thought maybe this is not a good idea, but at the end I should have filmed it. Even if it was a failure, then it's also interesting to film it to show that, yeah, I've tried it and I failed. But in this case, I tried it and I succeeded. But I hope that the information that is in the video will be some kind of a help for you or a guidance on how to do it. And of course, if you really need some extra help and some extra tips from me, you can always contact me with a personal message, and I'm happy to guide you or to help you. So thanks for watching. I know it's a niche video, so not many people will have this problem, but still I wanted to share it to you guys. See you in the next video.